Hi, welcome to this tutorial about CrowdSim3D. In this tutorial, we show how to set up a running crowd in CrowdSim3D. The crowd will be running in a single direction. We have already linked in a model and a run cycle we are going to use. We add the grid factory to the scene. We set the number of columns to 4 and the number of rows to 8. We set the distance between the agents to 1.5 meter. In the node editor, we add a populate node and select our model. We also add an agent variable node. With this node, we set the normal speed of the agent to 5 meter per second. We press the populate agent buttons to fill our agents with the model and the speed. We want the soldier to walk in one direction. For this, we are going to add behavior. The set attribute node adjusts the speed factor of the agent. We set the direction to -y, white area at the bottom, and set the velocity to 5 meter per second. This node does not yet cause the agent to move. The advanced ground movement node interprets the speed factor and places the soldier ahead. Using a parallel node, we connect the nodes together. We add a play action node and select the run cycle we loaded. We connect the node to the existing parallel node. After performing the behavior, we see that the soldiers move forward. This setup can be used as a basis for walk simulations. This is the end of this tutorial. We hope you liked it.